Mamamas ko po. Kain tayo. Mansanas na green. Ocho. Ocho. Raisa, may back pain daw si ano? Si Ruit. Morphine.
Morphine daw?
Oo.
See?
This is tea.
Thank you.
Thank you. Later, I have grown apple. You want?
Hello, doctor. Good evening. Doctor, I have the admission 603. Yeah, upper GI bleeding. What are you doing? Suspect. Patient Siddiqui. With 2 medicines, doctor. Vital signs are stable. It's one, vital signs are stable, doctor.
I will speak also.
603, doctor. Santoshi is here, doctor. Okay, wait.
Hello. Hi, doctor. I have a patient in 602 came in because of pneumonia, 84-year-old male. So because of that, he's coughing and there is no cough syrup in the system. If you can order something. Pneumonia. Yes. So he's coughing obviously and no cough syrup is ordered. So you can. Yeah, I think it's dry. order like a Prospan or what do you think? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Fever and sore throat, that's the admission cost. Okay, thanks. Mm-hmm. Bye.
Santoso, the order in 618.
Ah, okay.
With the ER nurse. Done?
Can I take you or no?
No? Done. Need more flash.
Oh, plus before?
Mm.
Because I'm more flash.
Ah.
Melanie,
Yes.
you keep on asking me again
Who?
about my job.
Who? Who's asking? The guy?
That's why I asked her to.
You're doing live?
Hmm.
Which one is correct?
Huh?
Which one is correct?
Where's the karak? All karak?
All correct?
Karak.
Already told.
Yeah. Long time there. You can make it hot.
Focus.
How many you bring? 5?
Yeah.
You're lucky it's open. Sometimes it's
Yeah,
closed.
sometimes it's closed. I'm so hungry.
Maybe 1-0?
08.
Hmm?
I'll check.
No, it's okay.
What happened?
She will come. Raisa will come. I told her already.
Who's going?
08. Pain reliever.
Hey, Mama.
Hmm. I tell already to
Can I
Raisa.
go for break?
You ask to them.
No. I'm so hungry. The baby in my room is eating. I'm so hungry. Thank you.
Pinta mo si Ocho? Tatawag ulit eh, ha? Mm. Jer, may mga blanket ka?
Meron to.
Pahingi ako pag umakyat ka.
Ilan?
Pwede 5? Wala na ako dyan eh.
Sige.
Okay. Eh?
1, 2
Mm.
can off the heat at 12, no, not 12, 1:30.
Why?
No, we will do 10. And I need to give enema. Maybe 12, 1:15 can turn off, then we will do at 2 o'clock. I need to give the enema.
Ay, poki mo. Okay na yun. Oh my God.
So that's what. Until I give enema, you know.
Okay.
Wife won't, his husband won't stop.
Okay.
Later must change.
This is extra. This is extra.
Okay.
Because I
You don't
don't
want this. You need to give this one to lock it.
Where is it? The nurse. Here, nurse.
I think he left.
He left?
Mm-mm. He like
I
Hejong.
saw him at the lift. I said, Kuya, go. Just wait for her. I'm sorry.
Why he is single also?
Huh?
He is single also?
I think so. I didn't know. He told me.
You ask first. You ask
I
first.
told him. I will ask. Then when I asked, and when I told him, he said, go and talk to her. You are telling me.
What you told me?
Then I told him to go and talk to her.
Ay, ay, ay. Suddenly it became crazy.
Who?
Here.
So nothing is going for leave. That's why he's going this time.
What is it?
Only hydromorphone. How many is he going? Hydromorphone.
I don't know for and he gave Upsal also.
Why upset?
He's telling, just take. Then after he comes back on Sunday, he will take it back.
Because you don't want to come here and tell me that.
Tarang kumain ang kumain.
Hello, calling from Fatima Bilal. 602, I have the patient. Cinecort syrup is ordered. Can you please put out send someone to collect it? 602, Cinecort syrup. Thank you, Bilal. I'll send someone now. Please. Thank you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Pwede ba naman
Blessing.
request ko ang higaan para kay
Blessing, blessing.
Papa
nurse naman ako.
She went for break.
Blessing,
Mm.
can you go down and get this cough syrup for me?
Oo.
02. They just store and then I just called. If not, I would have got it earlier.
Okay. No problem.
Teleport.
Hello.
What did I put? Regulation.
6 1 with somebody.
Saan siya pupunta?
Ay, 125 ml per hour.
Pagkatapos ng mansanas, biskwit at kape. Mamaya na naman, ano naman kayang makain? Adik si Raisa. Talaga ba? Machine is beeping. Tantuti. Saan ka, Raisa? Saan ka? Tamo? Thank you, Lord. Ang bagal ng internet. And if people will say one day,
No one went there.
she's going. Raisa. She went.
Who did it?
1-8.
Who went there?
Only 3 patients with you, okay?
If you say so.
If you say so, why should I say so?
You just say no. How many nights for you, Abdullah?
This is my second month.
Where are you nowadays? Which floor?
Hello guys. Kamusta? Duty na naman tayo. Duty.
So you're working with individual purpose?
I didn't even see it.
Oh, thank God. Thank God you didn't see him.
December na. Ayan ang mga kasama ko guys. Yan. Tayo mag-live pang laban sa antok.
She did what she's doing with everyone, but I didn't do like anyone.
Kamusta ang lahat? Malapit nang magpasko. So, Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Ay, Santoshi.
Ate Santoshi, she wants to change the bag. I think this is for her. Bag of.
Ay, ay. Dumaan lang. Mega love shout out sa 2,000 viewers in my house. Mega love shout out.
Yes, ma'am. I called for the engineering. They will call me. They will call me. I will call back if they because as long as we don't have any. Okay, it's not up there. They check first on the engineering.
Sure. I think they're still running for that. Extra bad.
Hello? Hello? Why is it? Hello? Sir, wait, the other caller. Who are talking to? The operator.
Baka nag-dial ka kasi ng 0. Speed dial muna kasi. 05. Ayaw. Ano nangyari? Nangangamuhan, Raisa. Yung may love shoutout sa 1,000 viewers in my house. Sure.
Morning, sir. I will follow up the bed for extra red surgery.
Nothing?
He will check. Okay, no, he will not check.
Hanap pa kasi yan sa buong floor. Kinukuha lang naman nila yan sa mga floor din. Ay! Gumagaan lang sila. Hello! May love shoutout sa 2,000 viewers in my house. Halo. Who is that you? Mamas po. Pasko na. Sinta mo. Hanap kita. Mamamas ko. Pahinging ayuda. Char. Okay na yung kakagulat makamelay.
Nag-try para sa air mattress.
Ha?
Yung air machine, back machine. Para sa air mattress. Paano naman ako kasi reklamador yung bago namin dati.
Ano? Machine ng airmat? May access ka dyan. Tumingin ka lang. Pag meron, isayo ng lahat. Wala naman din dyan, sira lahat ng ano dyan. Guys, tamsak guys. Hello, hello. Mega love shoutout sa 2,000 viewers in my house. Live habang naka-duty guys, panglaban sa antok ba? Ito ang panglaban sa antok. Para hindi tayo antukin. Kamusta ang inyong December? Ganon talaba.
Ang tawag din ate, compression. Yung nakalagay kay 616.
Yata, tanong mo kay Ate Rina.
Ate Rina, what is it again? Sequential. The here in the left.
Sequential device.
Ano daw?
Sequential device.
The orange one? Mas malas nga ang rice, magsasarado na naman yata ang border, so cancel flight na naman.
Hindi, may quarantine pa din. Before kasi kahit green na tayo.
Mm.
Mas kasi ako yellow eh.
Mm.
Green na daw, so no quarantine. Pero ngayon, may bagong strain.
Mm.
Kahit green days tayo, sa quarantine pa rin ng 3 days.
Oh, 3 days.
Ika-third day swab. Tapos,
Ang naano ko sa balita, 5 days
5
eh.
days na.
Oo.
Bago-bago naman na every day.
Kaya nga eh.
Iba nga nagpa-cancel ko.
Kaya nakakainis umuwi eh.
Swerte ko lang kasi din na hindi na-cancel yung flight ko.
Puntaan ko. Aligo. Ha? 17?
Mansaran?
Yeah. I'm here. Where are you?
Can you bring Duodem?
Huh?
Duodem. 4618. Bring it to the room. I will change the color. I'll start changing now. Just bring
They
it.
want to close that big light. How we will close it? Kasi I told her that is the main light. How we will close?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Check the security. Check with security if that light can close. I
They
don't
want to
think so.
close that.
Just
I
bring
think
Ate.
no.
I will go there.
What?
Duodem.
Where?
Catinos. 618. Because I'm changing the colors for me. I'll be
You
here.
call already?
Yeah, yeah. Just bring the speaker.
Security? Diyos mo, yung parang kanina, di ba, bumibig na ako ng isa. Ano pa yun ang sarili ko? Actually, I'm not confusing. They're asking to close the light, but you don't know where is the switch for that. 617. Outside the corridor lights. No. You will be able to do that. Yeah, 617.
The big one. Okay. You don't have switch. You don't have switch. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I think that it's not possible to close.
No.
Because that is the main one.
This is emergency. Very close to. I'm going right now.
Okay.
Just close it back. Shit.
On the door.
Magdala kang punda, kukuha ako ng una doon kay Toto. May kumot ka na ba dyan?
Wala akong makapal na
Ako na ako. Sabi na ako sa mga rin.
Hiram muna natin yung 5-1.
Gawin naman na yan.
Dalawa. Blanket ko nito. Blanket yan.
Nakapix na yan, tayo ko nang gutuloy yan.
Ihi naman ako.
What are you saying? You're talking to yourself.
Yeah, I'm typing to myself.
Is this for home care? For people that want home care?
Nurses in home care.
Eh?
Nurses in home care.
We have nurses for home care. American hospitals. Wow.
I don't know, they will just visit. They will just visit.
Hello?
Ay, hello. Sir, good morning. Regarding 603, we have piperacillin in at 5 o'clock in the morning. What time we can get that medicine later? Patient Siddiqui Mohammed. 603. No, it's admission. They give it from ER and then 5 a.m. Okay. Prepare. Okay, thank you.
Have you gone to a school?
Not yet.
You don't want to go.
I want to go. I don't know when. You have the admin.
Bigyan ko na.
Now,
Blanket.
I thank you.
What update is ready to install? Not now.
Bless you.
Blessing.
Bless me. I told her bless you because she chose me.
How is this cake?
You like it? Good morning. She's awake. But I saw your picture. You have a long hair.
Yeah.
I think that's in baby mo.
Yeah.
Like that.
That's all. I don't know.
Yeah.
And it's so big. This one is
Ay, manaban.
No, asan daw she is there? Maybe she needs something. She's changing the colonoscopy bag.
Disyembre na ate. Wala kayong balak na ulit?
Nakalib si Alvin.
Si Alvin na yun.
Si Jo daw ng January. Ako siguro February. Ay, si yun eh.
I see. And I see.
Pero kung maglilib ako ng May, ay ng February,
No.
tapos uwi din ako ng May.
Replace battery of 6.2.
Okay, I will do. Who's that? Ito ka telemetry din. Ay, siya. It's in Meron ba daw tayo dyan?
Hindi, bababa doon sa IC.
Saan kayo see you?
Sa main.
Ning, bumababa. Bumababa. Ito sa musika na.
Sige, ganun lang after.
Ha?
Ano lang.
Ito may battery ka.
Battery. Blessing!
Ang
I see you, Ming.
Huh?
I see you, Ming. None. I need telemetry.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Ang oras may battery.
Where is Matthew? Matthew? Yes.
Please don't call me, okay?
Yeah, I just use battery.
Huh? Uy, na 21.
Sorry, sorry.
What is that? It's not charge book. It's there with the UCI.
Okay, because it used to be here before.
No. All my life I've been waiting for.
Raisa, you said you need anti-class. What do you need?
Telemetry.
Okay, any other things? Don't need keys, don't need hose, don't need anything.
You need more? Yung telemetry si Tres? Ano bang kaso niya?
Gastric.
Tapos, bakit siya na ano?
Kailangan ipa-check kung baka may problem sa heart.
Pero bakit siya na-admit?
Observe lang yun. Kasi vomiting na. Nag-vomit siya sa beach ng brown color.
O ganun? Oo naman. Naggamit lang eh.
Kasi parang hindi na hindi na nasisala. Parang lang hindi natutunan, hindi natutunan. So, hindi dumadaan sa taba. Parang poops. Diba na yung brown poops natin, hindi na lumalabas. Bumabalik.
Sabi sabihin, yung nagde-digest ang tiyan niya. Yung Esther, she's so generous. Yes, hey Jong, any help? It's for Santoshi.
Sorry?
It's for Santoshi sa
Yeah.
to, no?
You want very Santoshi?
In 618 still. Why? What I want?
What I want,
What do you want?
because there is has a tolerance on the knee left.
You need to give me 12 o'clock na yun.
Kanino?
So, 12 o'clock ko. Exam yata. So, exam ko. Bumisinin ko siya.
Si 13?
Kailangan.
Ano ba yung tablet o injection?
Injection.
Ay, tusok mo na lang. Huwag mo nang gisingin. Mama, mama. Turururun. Turururun. Turururun.
Oh my god.
What happened?
You want to call
No.
02?
Yeah.
Anyone disconnected?
Yeah.
Disconnected, into the last connected.
Connected that?
He don't want the power to come on this side.
Sometimes it's inside.
Click now.
Andyan yung battery ko, Raisa. Andyan sa baba yata. Take Panadol.
This washing, is it good for the face? No.
Blessing.
Lisa.
You come into the room, don't use the phone like that.
No, that's
Leaning
because
on
you said
the-
I should wait for you.
No, but still. You shouldn't be leaning like that using the phone.
Alas.
I want to ask you something if I'm not mistaken. You know
What?
this Lisa washing, Lisa
In the online?
washing for the face, body also.
Mm.
You know about it. Is it good for the face?
What is the name?
Wait, I'll show you. I think it's here. I'll show you. Lisa, like, you know, washing the permanent one.
No idea.
I don't know if it's good.
It's online.
I saw it online.
For washing, if your face is not sensitive for any kind of
See? Full body Lisa. You know about it?
Botox or filler on mental scaling polishing. That's one very How much? 1,050 dirham.
Mm-hmm. But they are doing promo and discounts now. You will choose any of these. But I want to know, is it really good? Have you done it? Or do you know about someone that has done it before? You don't know. Now they're doing for 50 dirhams.
For facial, it's okay because it's from they will do with the expert. It's from the doctor. No, it is dermatologist. So I think it's okay. Why? What you will do?
I also don't like face. I don't want to.
Facial?
Yeah,
It's okay. Yeah.
I'm scared. So I went to
You
Google it. So
before you go, of course the doctor will check if you are okay with that kind of facial or whatever, and for sure they know what is the good for each
50
skin
dirhams
types,
is
no?
good.
Huh?
50 dirhams is cheap.
Yeah, but we don't need.
I want to also do good for my
What?
armpit.
Armpit?
Yeah.
What do you want?
The Lisa also, they have for armpits,
Mm.
bikini, full body, anyway you want.
That it's derma. It's good. It's that good.
But that if you do it for like 1 year, no hair.
Hmm? The laser and the armpit. Why you have a lot?
No, really, but I hate to see it, so that's why it's making me like almost every week. So
Mm.
I want to,
Me,
but I'm scared. I want to know, I want to like see someone that's done, then ask the person, and I really want to use this opportunity. I don't know.
we have derma here, no? Why didn't
We
you
have
go there?
here?
Yeah,
In American hospital?
we have derma here.
Can
Yeah,
my insurance cover it?
it's depend on what you will do.
maybe just to see the doctor.
Yeah, of course. You have to check first to the doctor what they want to do. If it's okay for you, and if it is covered, then do it here.
Wow.
Oh, you do
Can
know
I?
that
How
way.
how do I?
Oh, you go to OPD, outpatient.
But are they open because of these holidays?
No,
They are not.
tomorrow it's closed until Friday. Saturday it will be open.
Maybe Saturday, that's what I'll do. I don't know we have the
Hmm?
neurologist here.
We don't have only the dentist.
What of optical for eyes do we have?
There is. We have ANT.
I
Yeah.
need to see for my eyes also because these days my eyes is disturbing me.
There in the, all in the clinic. OB-GYN clinic we have.
No, I know about gynae. What I need now is dermatologist.
ANT there is. Ophthalmology.
Which one is ophthalmologist?
For the eyes.
No, eyes is ophthalmologist.
Opta.
I need the number. How do I get number?
I checked there. I think that all the number is there in the clinics.
For Dana?
Nothing?
Okay, I'll send them to Jim. Then what
Opta.
Can I call this night? They are closed, right?
Close already. Sure that they are only until 6 o'clock.
Oh my God, they don't know us.
8 to 6. Or I'm not sure. There is clinic until 8. But most of the clinic there is 6. 8 to 6. 8 to 5. Like that. Tomorrow is closed. After tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday, Friday.
Because holiday. But normal day they are
I'm on
open.
duty on Saturday. I'll go on Saturday.
They are open on Thursday.
But I don't know if my insurance is open.
ENT for sure that is covered. Dermatologist is depend on what you will do.
But you just to see doctor, they will not.
Yeah.
My insurance.
And sometimes the doctor here, if you are a staff, they are, for example, you want to do something, they will put on the insurance that it's like cover with the insurance.
It's not necessary.
Mm.
So I shouldn't let them know.
Yeah.
Ate Melay, ba't yung number keypad mo kanina?
Oh.
Mas flatter ba di ba? Binigay mo. Gusto niya ng flat table.
May flat sa loob, yung pinakamanipis na manipis.
Pareho na ano sa kanila.
Sige.
Hindi na lang naman.
Ang arte niya naman.
Sila sila ate mo.
Dami niyang alam.
Look at my eyes.
You're done with the 6, you're finished 6 months?
Hindi na ako.
It's
They are
okay.
not permanent.
Huh?
They are making us permanent.
Okay, so it's good. At least you have chance because before they are not covering until you are not finished 6 months.
eye fusion, no? There's no eye fusion on this system.
There is. Check. That one.
Where is it?
You cannot see that eye fusion.
Whose?
Yes, oh my goodness, you have 4 eyes.
I told you my eyes is pain. Oh my god.
Hello, JJ Royal. Thank you sa patamsak. May gumagilab shoutout. Good morning, good morning. Thank you so much sa patamsak. Salamat sa suporta at sa dalaw.
Oo, ate, no.
Yes po, JJ Royal, ano, it's near 1 o'clock in the morning. 1:45. Nasaan ka ba niyan, kapatid na JJ Royal? Night shift. Night shift. Oh, nasa UK. Anong oras na dyan, kapatid? Galing naman, ay sa UK ka. "8:46 pa lang po. Umaga or hapon? Hapon. 20. 13. Share. Gabi. Okay. Eight. Magna-9 ng gabi. Okay lang. Ito ano, nagtutupi ng apron. Tapos naghihintay ng timing para sa turning ng mga pasyente. Aga naman natulog ng mga alaga mo. Ngi. Gusto mo mag-porter? Porter na. Are you crying? Santoshi?
Okay.
Andiyan ka na sa UK, kapatid. Nasa Dubai po. Dubai, Dubai. Dubai, Dubai. Anong trabaho mo dyan, kapatid? Sa UK? Parang yung nakikita ko naman, nag-ano ka, nagra-rides ka lang eh.
Why no?
Ah, okay. Good. Sa hotel ka pala eh, so malaki ang sahod mo dyan.
So charging is 10 rupees. Thank you.
Manager ka siguro dyan. Yun lang. Totoo yan. Pagka malaki ang sahod, malaki rin ang expenses. Pero what to do? Sorry. True. Tapos yung mga tao sa Pilipinas, akala nila tumatay lang tayo ng pera sa ibang bansa, no? Hingi, hingi, hingi. Akala mo pinupulot lang ang pera. Grabe ka naman, isang beses ka lang kumain sa isang araw. Huwag ganun.
Just came back from it one day and then
Ako pag nasa bahay, isang beses lang ako kumain. Kasi tulog lang ako ng tulog. Pag dito nasa trabaho, kasi pagod. Ayan. Parang lagi kang nakakaramdam ng gutom. Pag off todo lamon. Okay lang yan, bawi-bawi din pag may time. Dapat reward din sa sarili. Iba, wag puro trabaho. Kuya, why you pass? That is not from us. Smile, Santosh. Smile. Laugh, laugh, Santosh. Ay, okay po. Sige po. Salamat sa dalaw. Salamat din sa tamsak. Thank you. Sige lang, ingat din. Ingat, ingat, ingat kapatid, ingat. Thank you so much. Bye, bye. Ha? I'm talking to myself.
Doing, I think, vlog. Are you?
Live stream on YouTube. Have a good night and good morning. Thank you. I will close the...
I will go there.
Okay. Then we'll do at 2 o'clock. Then you will give Inima. 1, 2.
4, 4.
Mm. Santoshi, be ready. Be ready. What is that? Microbleeding.
No.
Oh, what is that? Ah, sorry. Omicron case in UAE.
I'm saying I'm
We
tired
have
of
now?
this mask again.
Shh, be ready. Your baby is there. She will call now. I'm planning to go for vacation in May. And now, again, the flight is canceled in Philippines.
Because of the new micro.
Yeah. Omicron?
Omicron. Yeah, whenever we are planning, there will be something. Right?
My goodness.
I think I will go next year.
Me too.
February.
Oh, I will go again maybe by November or December.
No, how many years? 3 years, no?
Yeah, it's almost me.
Today, no, this year 2 years. Next year.
No, we didn't go for vacation.
No, I went.
I didn't go.
I went this early this year.
Me only here, but going back to the
Yeah,
origin, no. May I go last 2019?
She's straight, you know, no?
Huh? No, no, no,
It's straight, no? Like this.
no.
That way.
Facing the door.
That doesn't look like facing the door.
Shwada.
No, really. Her face is like this. I just came out from there. Anyways, I'll go off the TV.
Yeah. Now we'll go for break, then we'll come back, we will do.
Right,
Maybe she's here. 1-4. She's there.
Can you see 6-1? I don't know.
She needs you.
Just ask her what she wants. I want to go.
Just like that, you will ask.
Tell her I'm
Call my nurse.
Hello.
Ganda, G. She needs you.
I don't understand. You're watching from here. What you want?
Connect.
How
Come on.
come
No.
you're watching from here?
She went down again. I saw her going down.
Yeah. I told her her baby is coming. She's like that, no? After she go down, when she came back, she need the nurse.
Who's that?
1-8. Maybe she's not sleeping. Sharan dun dun dun. Tarararara.
When is your leave?
Hmm?
Your leave. Annual leave.
I just came from leave.
No. Did you go to Philippines?
No, I'm planning by May. But
Yeah.
now again it's canceled the flight in Philippines because of this Omicron. What is that? All cancelled again. 09. Hey Jong. 09. She's fine. Last October, I take my leave 1 month.
Next year?
No, this October.
4 months later, I did not travel.
Because it's difficult to go back to the Philippines. You know how many ticket I have in the HR? Because every year we have free ticket now. I have 2 ticket pending. I'm not using. I'm supposed to be going back last year. But because of the COVID, you know, it's very difficult to go in Philippines.
But right now,
Yeah, but she's in Manila. Me, I was beside of Manila. 8 hours travel going to my place.
from
And
Manila.
yeah, so many border that I have to pass. They will get PCR, so cho. And then when I reach in my place, I have to do the quarantine for 15 days. 14 days. So, in Manila, you will have 1 week already. If you are not positive, you can go. In the 5th day of your quarantine in the hotel, they will do the swabbing. So, of course, you have to...
That means she was quarantined.
Huh?
Why is that for she? On quarantine when she went back. She was on quarantine when she
Yeah.
went. Then how did she see her family for the 5 days? Nobody, but somebody can visit you, right?
No. Nobody. It's quarantine, Shohada.
This is crazy.
Yeah, you know, Raisa quarantine on the other place, not in Manila. And then she travel again, going back to Manila by airplane again. But at least in Manila, it's not restrict like you are living in the province or in the village. Because in the village, so strict because the cases there is only a bit. In Manila, it's like normal
Wow.
because it's the main. What is this?
It's like the town.
Mm. A big town. So the people is not much oriented in the village. So they are afraid. That's why the local government is so strict. And they will quarantine. They will put you in the school. Because now no face-to-face schooling, no? Only online. Yeah. Yeah, until now. My daughter told me by January they will do the face-to-face. But see, again,
Ah. Oops. I don't even want this thing to happen now, honestly.
it's from Africa, no? What is that?
Africa.
It's like before also. That is from 17.
Who's sleeping?
What is happening?
Machine. Fridge.
Huh? Not
That is fridge. Yes, it's fridge. Before also, no, there is a pandemic from Africa. It's like Ebola. Ebola.
Yeah, Ebola.
Yeah.
But it was not serious. It was just,
But it's like skin disease, no?
yeah.
But this one is the immune system.
I just pray this doesn't escalate like COVID, honestly. I don't want to.
Nobody wants that, but what they will do. I don't know what happened to the world.
Honestly, since how many years now? I'm like, God, thank you. Very soon you'll stop wearing this mask. Now this. It's crazy. Honestly. It's not fair.
I see you. Hello, good morning, Sis Nor. Yes po, yes, Grace. Yes. Si Raisa. Oh. Okay. Sige, sabihin mo. Sige, thank you, thank you. Okay lang yun. Brady.
Where's Jordan?
603. Raisa. I'll just finish this and I'll go for break.
So I will find 150.
I'm so excited to go Philippines because my grandson is big now,
How old he is, no?
1 year. So maybe when I went home, maybe he is running already. No baby, not baby anymore. It's near to walk.
He's walking now?
No,
No.
not yet.
Something like that.
Uh-huh.
Don't kill me.
Why?
I just came out. Can you see if it is turned off?
Kill you.
No, I think I did that, but I just. I checked.
Close.
Ah, okay.
Tina is also in UK, no? Very fast.
She has gone to UK.
Yeah, she went already. She resigned. Meron. Huwag mo busin ha. Raisa, si 603 daw, nagbabrady. Tapos yung PBC niya is maabot ng 50s. Eh. Ten minutes. We finish this live. Ichi, tulog. It's alright. Having you near me. Santoshi, how many night? It's your last? Tomorrow also? Why? Take off. Me also, I have one more tomorrow. Your blessing. Oh, mashallah. I love you to say I'll never go away. It's alright. And shall go for break, huh? One